Did you know that the sound that you're choosing on TikTok could actually be the thing that allows you to not get more than 250 views when you're posting? Or maybe you didn't know that TikTok favors posts that are of a certain length. Well, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you're gonna know the answer to those two things, and you're gonna know two other secrets that are allowing creators on TikTok to go from being in TikTok jail to blowing up their accounts and getting monetized. In fact, that's what happened to this creator after they gained 100,000 followers in just 30 days by implementing the tips I'm about to share with you. And this creator gained over 120,000 followers. And if you want results like that, you need to make sure that you're implementing these tips, but more importantly, you need to make sure that you're not skipping the last tip I'm gonna be sharing with you, because it's by far the thing that keeps people in 250 view jail. And I don't want you to be there. And if you're not there, I don't want you to fall in there. Instead, I want you to be able to take advantage of right now, which is the best opportunity ever to grow on TikTok. Now, the first thing that you need to make sure that you're doing is going into the viral music charts on TikTok. And there's a reason for this. You're literally going to get 100 of the most viral sounds on TikTok. And if you implement these sounds into your content and do one other secret thing with them, it's going to make your post go viral. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go click on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I just created a free TikTok growth course. You could get it at the pinned comment below. It's going to share with you things, the best time to post and the best hashtags to use. My goal is for my free course to be better than other people's paid courses, so what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get into it right now. It's literally 100% free. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click into a sound on TikTok. In the top right-hand corner, you're gonna see where you can find what the 50 viral best songs are on TikTok and another list of 50 sounds that are helping creators get more views. You're going to wanna click into those sounds, and from there, you're going to see what is trending. Now, there are three things that you need to be paying attention to when you're looking at these videos. First, you need to pay attention to the length. What length of these videos that are being made under those sound, because it's going to increase the odds that you actually end up getting more views. The second thing is what format are these posts in, and the third is what are the topic of these posts, because if you could tap into those three things and use that sound in your posts, it's going to significantly increase the odds that you end up going viral if you implement this next tip also, which is that you need to be making your content in the right length, because you can choose the right topic for your content, but if you don't choose the right length, it's going to destroy your views. But first, let's get you out of 250 view jail. There are only two reasons that you're stuck at 250 views or stuck at any amount of views on TikTok. And the only way for you to break out of that is to focus on these two things. First and foremost, you need to make sure that 70% of people are still watching your content after the first 3 seconds. If that's not happening, that's why you're not getting views on TikTok. If you are able to hit that and you're still not getting views, the second reason is because there wasn't a large enough audience for the piece of content you're creating. Let me give you a perfect example here. This might not be for your niche, but this applies for every single niche, and hopefully this makes it really easy for you to understand. If you were to do a post about Florida real estate, or you were to do a post about real estate in the United States, which one of those do you think would potentially get more views? In fact, I want you to comment below which one you think is going to get more views. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. The video about real estate throughout the whole entire United States could actually do better because there's a way larger audience for content like that. Like if you were to make a video about how the interest rates were going to go up even more, that affects everybody throughout the United States. It affects poor people, it affects rich people, it affects people that are buying houses, it affects people that are selling houses. But if you were to create content about just Florida real estate, it's really going to impact only people that are in Florida. So a much smaller percentage of people are actually going to be interested in that, which is going to lead to a decrease in the amount of views that you get, even though you made the same video for both of them. It might have been the same length, and it might have been the best video that you've ever made. So you need to understand that the topic of the content that you're choosing is going to have a huge outcome, not only in how many views that you get, but also how long the actual video should be, because you need to understand that the video length is also going to be taken into consideration by the TikTok algorithm when they decide whether or not they should be pushing out your post. There's a very strong reason for this. TikTok classifies people into 2 segments. Not only one, what type of content that they watch, but secondly, what length videos they watch. In fact, if you didn't know, 60-second videos can get you paid on TikTok right now, and creators that are making videos over 60 seconds long are having a ton of success. Now I know it was a broad statement, so let's go back in and tell you the perfect length for your niche, but that's actually going to change depending on the topic of the video you're creating. So what you need to make sure that you're doing, you need to decide on a topic that you're going to create a piece of content on. From there, you need to go search for that topic. You need to filter for this month, you need to rank those by most liked, and you need to look at the top 3 most liked videos. You need to take into consideration how long they are, and you need to make sure that your content is the same length. Because if you're making baseball content that's 20 seconds long, but there's a huge audience that interacts with baseball content that's 40 seconds long, well, guess what? You can make the best post in the world, but you're not gonna end up getting views because TikTok isn't going to classify your content as the right length and the right topic for that specific audience. On top of that, there are a few other things that TikTok really hates when you do. First and foremost, I would not make videos under 5 seconds long on TikTok. They absolutely hate when you do this. The second thing, don't say link in bio on TikTok. It can destroy the amount of views that you get, and don't put a link within your description or put a link within your video because again, those are things that TikTok absolutely hates. Instead, if you're trying to sell something, I strongly suggest making it so natural that you're selling something within the video, aka it doesn't look like you're selling something, and you know what that's going to do? It's going to make people curious about how they can find out more about that product or where they can look for it. And then they might leave a comment, or they're going to go to the link in your bio anyway, and it's going to increase the amount of views that you're getting because you're not saying link in bio, you're not putting a link in your description, and it will actually make you more money. Trust me on this. But by far, the easiest way for you to be able to make more money on TikTok right now is making sure that you're getting into the TikTok Creativity Beta program. All you need for this program is 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and it's going to make you eligible to create content over 60 seconds long that's monetized. And this is crazy because it's paying out a ton of money. In fact, creators that make content and get 1 million views on average make about $1,500 to $2,000 for that. So if you're able to get a few million views, you can make thousands and thousands of dollars a month. But first, you need to make sure that you have those 10,000 followers and that you're getting the right amount of views. In fact, I'm going to guarantee that I can help you get more followers on TikTok. And the way that I'm going to be able to do this is by telling you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more growth in the next 30 days. If that sounds interesting to you, well, please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you, and I don't want you to miss out on a chance to get monetized on TikTok or to take advantage of the greatest opportunity ever to grow a TikTok following. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last for forever. And the only 2 things holding you back from getting the followers that you deserve right now on TikTok and the followers that you want is 1, you haven't implemented the steps that I share with you in this video to help you get more followers, and 2, you haven't gotten into my TikTok mentorship program yet, where I literally am going to guarantee that I help you get more followers in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. And the way that this works is I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more followers in the next 30 days. If that sounds interesting, then please go to the link in the description below and get signed up right now. The average person that's gone through this program has gained over 50,000 followers, and nobody has ever gone through it and gained less than 6,500 followers if they implemented everything that I share with them. And since you're still watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're above average. So the odds of you gaining over 50,000 followers is probably quite high. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is going to help you get more results faster and easier. If you're struggling right now to grow on TikTok, you need to get into this because every single day that you wait, it's only going to get harder to grow. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're going to get more followers on TikTok, or you're going to get your money back. In fact, this creator just went through this program and gained over 10 million followers. This creator over 14 million, and this creator over 16 million. And I want you to be my next success story. So please stop procrastinating, invest in yourself now, and get the TikTok followers that ultimately you deserve. Or I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I put up on the screen because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.